Hello, I'm Ben from Mayku. We are announcing an update to the Multiplier pressure former. The Multiplier pressure former enables you to create isotropic thermoplastic parts with detail down to less than 1 micron. The latest firmware update includes a new feature for the machine. We are also launching a new accessory to go with it. Together, they unlock access to hundreds of new materials. First, with custom mode, the machine can learn any new type of thermoformable sheet in a matter of minutes. You can then save the profile for future use, making it simple to use your own materials with the machine. The reducing plate, our new accessory, means you can now work with a smaller rectangular forming area, creating less waste and making it easier to cut down sheets of your own materials for use with the machine. So that's a quick overview of everything we're launching. For more info, check out the Mayku website and videos for more of a deep dive into each of these. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.